Today is day 3 of our home Reno. So I'm just going to take you through our current progress. So as you can see, all of the flooring has been cleared off. There used to be like vinyl floorings all over the house, so we decided to just take off everything and then we're going to lay over with like new vinyl floorings. So what we've done so far is to take down most of the walls. So let's start from here. There used to be a TV console over here, so we hacked down the whole thing, and then we're going to put a 65-inch TV console over here, maybe with a nice floating panel for the TV. This is going to be our study room, so we decided to hack the wall, and we're going to put like the glass panel thing, and then below this there will be a nice huge sofa, because we have a very nice area for a very large sofa. So we're going to go for a nice like 3-seater recliner sofa, just to like enjoy the TV things. Okay, so moving on to the dining area, we're going to have a table over here. Since we have a good length, we're going to put a table that can probably sit about 3 each and then 1 each on the side, so it can be like an 8-seater kind of thing. And then I guess we'll put a long like light over here, just for it to be a statement piece kind of thing. Okay, let's move on to the kitchen. Of course, you can see that this whole cabinetry has been hacked down because we wanted to create more of a seamless look. So we're going to have a completely new look with like countertops, a lot of storage space on the top and bottom, the sink over here. Then of course this space allows us to have a bigger fridge as well. And then we're going to have more countertop space over here. Okay, let's move on to the service yard. So of course we decided to take down the whole drying system. So we're going to install a new one by Sligan. And then of course the washer dryer will be stored over here. Okay, let's move on to the study area. So as you can see, for the study area, half of the wall has been hacked down. So we're going to put in some glass panel for us to like look out the window and just enjoy the view. And then we haven't decided what we're going to do with this area yet, but we'll probably put some bean bags for us to lounge and relax again. And of course this area will be where we put our tables for us to work and play with a very nice view. Okay, let's move on to the toilet. Okay, so of course for the toilet, we're going to try to keep things simple. So you can see that most of the stuff has been hacked down, but we're going to lay over new towels on the wall and the floor. And then we're going to build in some vanity cabinets, new shower screens, new toilet bowl. Yeah, and that's about it. This is another extra room, but we are not going to do anything much here, so let's move on to the master bedroom. So of course, with the master bedroom, we have a bigger space. So this is obviously where the bed will be. A king size bed